Hi everyone, today I am bringing this video to all of you, and today I am using screen recording. I am not gonna use the camera, so I hope you all will like it. Let's start. Uh, you can see my settings here. This is the video of Minecraft Bedrock edition, 18 chunks, all the way up to 70 plus I think. Anti-aliasing, I think anti-aliasing is not needed for me. And I don't have any mods and etc. So guys, let me test it for you. I'm making this video for all of you to know that on this RTX 2080 Ti and the 9700K processor, uh, how much can it perform on Minecraft Bedrock edition. I made a video on Minecraft Java edition as well. If you want to check it, you can go and check it. Minecraft Java edition is not very good on PCs with this, uh, what can I say? With these things equipped on them, like the 9700K, there is no processor like that which can handle Minecraft Java edition too good. So all I can say is Minecraft Java edition is not like better than Minecraft Bedrock edition. It is worse. The Bedrock edition is the only good one, as it also easy to play. So I think Java edition is like easy to them who are really knows everything, and they don't like friendly textures etc etc. They are okay with any textures, but Minecraft Bedrock edition is for all. Even children can play it. Java edition also can be played by children, but you know there are also some other sides which are really tough there, like mods and etc. So guys, let's start and let me show you the performance of Minecraft Bedrock edition on this PC with 9700K processor and RTX 2080 Ti. And note that RTX 2080 Ti is not now overclocked. It is just at its base frequency and boost frequency, which are the normal ones. So let's start. Play, and you can see my world of education here. It is the education edition kind of thing which they have included, or they had included. I don't know. I'm not a native speaker, so guys, I think they have not included it. It is the right one because grammatically it is correct. So guys, it is not a grammar video, so I don't want to discuss it. Let's start my world. As you all can see, it is pretty much fast. It loads very quickly, and here you can see the world. It is pretty much loaded without any bugs or lags. Okay, so I can say Bedrock edition is better than Java, and you can see I can break the blocks very smoothly. And let me show you some Tnt Explosions. Uh, let's grab TNT here. I have this, and there you go. And flint and steel. Quickly grab this one to here. Okay, now let me set the time today. Okay, first I will give you the example of one TNT. No lag at all, no issues at all. You can see there FPS is like, you can see here FPS is 60 FPS. Our frame rates are pretty much good. So let me now give you a bunch of TNTs. To do that, I will go here. So guys, I'm setting this TNT up here. In these days people doesn't include all the tests necessary, like which are necessary tests. They don't really include that much in the video in detail. So guys, I will give you a detailed video. Please watch this full video, otherwise you won't know. I will do all the testings here which are necessary, not like very little ones. I will do the big ones. Okay, now let us lit this up. Let's test. You saw guys, no FPS drop. It's just fine and working as well it should. Let me do another one in the jungles, because the jungle is the place where your processing power is needed a lot. So let's do this. Okay, but guys, I know you wouldn't do this, like this much big TNT tests, but I'm showing you for this video for the sake of testing that on this system with this processor and graphics card, how much does it perform without OCing it, I mean without overclocking it. So watch this video till the end and you will know. People who can't buy the RTX 30 series graphics card, they could be able to buy this one at lower price, you know, so it will be fine. Entertainment will be okay. No less entertainment, just full entertainment. And you can do video editing with this graphics card as well. No problem will occur at all. It is just fine. If you want like you know, 140 Hz plus refresh rate with 4K something like that, then you will need like 30 series plus, and I think the 4000 ones will be good or better. So it is enough for right now. I don't need this much FPS. I play on sometimes 1440p 144 Hz. That would also be fine for me. So this graphics card is capable of that, but I am doing this video on 1080 pixels. So guys, make sure to watch this video carefully. This pile of TNT will explode. I don't know what will happen. I think it will be able to take this power of blast. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share, because this is yet a small YouTube channel with no subscribers. I mean, literally nothing. Like 36 subscribers are literally nothing. I need like 1000 subscribers to bring the paid videos and improve the content. Otherwise the channel will stay like that. What can I do? So guys, help to grow the channel, because subscribing doesn't need money. So guys, please subscribe. Now I'm going to blow this up. Okay, let's lit this up. Let's see what happens. So guys, you saw it. Nothing happened. It is that much powerful. I knew it could be able to handle this. It would handle this very nicely. And now I'm going to test the render distance, which causes lag. So let's go. I'm pulling this up to 76 chunks as it is available for me. I think it's gonna lag at 76 chunks because that's a lot, man. I need to clear the rain. It's taking a lot of processing power to process 76 chunks. So this much is like madness. As you can see, the FPS is already dropping from 60 to 58, something like that. I'm going to take the Elytra and take a flight. Okay, it's dropping, 48. Yes guys, it's lagging now. But I will show you the power. That's why I'm showing you this 76 chunks render distance thing on PC. Let it load. Guys, if you have 3600 MHz RAM for these stuffs, it will be helpful, because faster RAM will load it better and will lower CL latencies. I mean for the RAM, not for the graphics card or processor. Is only required for the RAM. So guys, it is lagging now and I have to let it load because that's a lot of chunks. You can see the processing power. It is trying to process it. but like it is really hurting the PC, I think, to load. I think the processor is getting hot. I don't know. It is still loading. So I'll let it load. Let me set the time today. Okay, what happened? Okay, guys. Okay, people, you can see it is still loading. I think if the gigahertz, if it's increased, I think if the gigahertz increased, it would be very much faster. So let's fly now. It is the time to do the stress test. So guys, you can see like 30 FPS. It is trying to keep its, the VSync thing. I have the VSync turned on. So guys, you can see tempo. It is really wonderful to see this big render distance because you can see the trees and the details and the bamboo. So guys, you have seen it. So now let me reduce it. Let me see where does it go. So let me decrease to like 70 chunks. Let me see the improvement. Okay, 2 FPS improvement of 2 FPS, which is not too much, but okay according to to this system, because I can see it is stressing itself a lot. Okay, improvement of 1 or 2 FPS. Now let me reduce to like 64 chunks. Okay, now let me see the improvement. Okay guys, 2 FPS improvement is not too good. It is still the 2 FPS. It was 1 FPS, now it became 2 FPS. Like no and 0 FPS improvement was at 70 chunks, and now it is like 1 or 2 FPS stable improvement. So now let me reduce more, like 56 chunks. Okay, now like 3 FPS has increased, which is not a lot. This island is pretty much wonderful. Jungle island. Shipwreck, as you can see, the shipwreck here. So now I am going to slow down it to like 46 chunks. Okay, you could see the processing power. It has increased now. It is doing right. So let me see. Okay, It is like 8 FPS improvement of 8 FPS. Still we don't want to play at this because 60 FPS is the minimal FPS which will not give you any problem. So let me reduce it more, like 41, 40 chunks is 40 chunks are recommended. Let me increase it to like further 42 chunks. Okay guys, as you can see, 42 chunks of render distance, and it's still looking very wonderful. And there is improvement of like 10 FPS. I would say 9 FPS. I wouldn't say 10 because 10 is like, you know, like bottlenecking thing. It is like going up to the bottle, so you don't want to go up to the bottle's neck and overflow, which is not good. Too much precise examinations are not good. You have to either examine it like a little more, or you need to examine it like, take for a little higher. So let me reduce it to 40 chunks because they are saying it's recommended. What happens? Let me see. So guys, it will still lag at recommended FPS. It is not that the lag will go away, but you can improve this thing by giving a little powerful more RAM, like 3600 MHz CL16. You could overclock the RAM 19 to 16. It would not be a problem. So guys, it is now improvement of 10 FPS, 10 to 12 FPS. Okay, now I'm going to reduce it more, like to 32 chunks. Okay guys, 32 chunks of render distance. Let's try. Now it has become more stable. What I will do is now I will explode the TNTs. Let me see the power. At 32 chunks, Tnt Explosion. Let me see how much does it handle, or the FPS drops. I think the FPS will drop a little bit because the render distance is higher. Minecraft uses a lot of processing power, not graphics power or GPU power. It takes the CPU power, so your CPU has to be powerful. I think it would be good if we could use the like integrated processors GPU plus the this discrete GPU as well, but we can't use both. We have to use one. It would be great if we could use like integrated GPU plus discrete GPU. I don't know if they're like implementing such feature. So in future they might increase such features, but now I don't see any. It would have been great if they did introduce the discrete GPU plus integrated GPU processing power both. to be utilized at the same time. I don't know if you guys have heard the downloadable RAM technology. I don't know how much of you have heard it. I don't know if it would be an improvement or you know loss of users. Companies will always profit if they introduce like attracting features but don't give proper performance or our satisfying performance, as I said. Anyways, I'm doing the testing for you, so guys, watch the video till the end to know the proper power of this GPU. So guys, let's explode it right now. Okay. Okay guys, let's see. Okay, it has decreased. It did decrease the FPS, as we can see. FPS gone to 2019 something. Okay guys, it did decrease. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the FPS, reduce the render distance. The chunks like 28 chunks. Now let me see what happens. So guys, you can see the FPS has dropped a lot. It has decreased the processing power for a little time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the render distance here, 28 chunks. Now let's build another TNT. Guys, I'm recording with the uh, screen recorder, so it is going to take the graphics power as well. It will consume the graphics power while consume the, you know, uh, hardware's capability of running games. Consume the power of hardware capability of running games. So guys, you have to see it like, you know, with a clear perspective of how it would perform with screen recording plus gaming. So both are using GPU's power and CPU's power. Lit this up. Okay. Okay. It did decrease the FPS. Does raining decrease FPS? I don't know. I think the night and the rain both decrease the FPS. Okay, it's now normal again. Okay guys, it will lag. Now let me decrease the render distance a bit more, like 20 chunks. Let me decrease it to like 22, not 20. 22 chunks. Okay. Let me clear the weather. The game has to be more optimized, otherwise it will lag like that. You can see the FPS is increasing after setting the time to day. I don't know why, but it has increased. Okay, so guys, you can see how much it would perform with screen recording plus gaming on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So now I'm going to decrease it to like 18 chunks, like before. I think the game has, you know, created itself a lot of garbages. That is why it's lagging. Anyway, I'm going to explore some Tnt as well. So guys, let's explode it. Okay, you could see the FPS has decreased. So guys, you could see uh, when will it decrease or when will it not decrease. So if I like put the render distance to 12 chunks, it is pretty much fine here. But let me do another thing. Put it to 18 chunks again, like 22 chunks, not 18. And let me save and quit. Okay guys, now you'll see what will happen. Let me go again. Okay guys, you can see the FPS. I think you can see the FPS here. 51 chunks. 51 chunks. Oh sorry, 51 frame per second. Now it is 60. Now I'm going to give some TNT here. TNTs or TNT. So guys, turn off the VSync if you have problems. I have the VSync turned on, and I will tell you if it improves without VSync in another video. In this video I will do according to, you know, fixing the settings of VSync that Nvidia has provided. Okay, let's test. You could see a certain amount of FPS decrease. So guys, let me keep it to like 22 chunks and show you another thing. What I will do is I will like today I will not show you the full improvement of VSync, but I think I will not show you the full improvement of VSync according to Nvidia because it doesn't really improve that much, but I will show you the decrease of FPS after VSync. As you saw it, like after, you know, I'm getting sleepy a little bit. Sorry for that guys. You saw that. Let me just set the day to set the time today. Guys, I have noticed another thing after editing this video, which I need to say is I think you guys couldn't see the you know, the FPS numbers. I mean the FPS in numbers which are you know, popping on my PC screen, which were not available at the time of recording. I think the Microsoft Recorder Xbox game bar doesn't really show the, the FPS value while recording in numbers. So guys, I'm very sorry for that, but you can take my word. If you have seen the video till the end, then you'd understand pretty much many things. When does it lag or when does it not lag? I think you guys have watched closely that when the explosions and the too much building blocks are destroyed, something really explosive happens, then the problem of lagging becomes serious. So I don't think you guys will explode TNTs like that, so it will not create problem. I think it uh, takes a lot of cash and takes it in and doesn't clear it. That's why it is having a lot of mess and making it lag by itself. So let me decrease the music. So guys, I hope you people are understanding. So I think you know the problem right now, when it will lag or when not. So it is pretty much a good piece of hardware to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Not really bad, like 9700K and the 2080 Ti non-overclocked. I am using the RTX 2080 Ti of MSI Ventus series, the non-OC, but you can OC it if you buy it and use the MSI Afterburner. So guys, that's it. That is it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And in the next video, I will show you after turning off the VSync what happens, plus recording. So guys, bye for now. See you later.